Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am always looking for ways that I can feel better. I had heard about the benefits of using berberine, and this one from Sandhu is a great option to be able to take something that will make you feel a lot better.
The pills come in a plastic amber colored bottle, so they're protected from sunlight. The instructions and ingredients is very easy to read on the side of the bottle, and it is a screw on or screw off cap. The capsules are that yellowish color inside, so you can take them very easily, or you can open them up so that you can take the product in a beverage if you need to. It comes with 60 in the bottle, so you get an ample supply, and they do suggest taking just one a day, and also suggest taking a little bit of a break in between rather than taking the whole bottle. And of course, you always want to check with your physician. They're very easy to swallow, and I do not notice any aftertaste at all, nor do I notice anything when I go to the bathroom. It doesn't have any kind of strange odor or anything. The pills, as I mentioned, are that easy size, and you can see there it's about an inch long for the pills, so they're not overly large.
If you're looking for an all-natural source that's going to help you to feel better, I would definitely suggest going with this berberine product from Sandhu. I love taking the pills. I've definitely noticed a difference, but also just from looking at the ingredients, I can tell that it's a well-made product, and I feel like I'm really getting some benefits from it. And that's my point of view.